Okay, and the last one in this chapter. Deriving benefits from the candles. It's very, very important, extremely important. And many people, as we said before, they fail in this miserably, unfortunately. So it said the candles that are lit for the purpose of the mitzvah are not allowed to be used for one's own personal benefit other than from illumination, because it would be considered disgrace for the mitzvah to do so. However, when we light other Shabbos candles from that candle that has already been lit, as that is not considered disrespectful, it is customary not to light even a match from the from one of the existing flames, even if it is for the purpose of additional Shabbos candles. So let's try to understand. So these candles, these lights that we, doesn't matter how many candles we lit. So it's they all lit for a mitzvah, and you're not allowed to use it for something else. Of course, you're allowed to read by it, and then besides, it's very proper. If you don't use these candles for some practical purpose, so this your candle lighting was in vain, and it's bracha levatala, which is a big sin. Right, but it's also disrespectful to use it for some other purposes. Like, well, what is it to light the candle, to match and continue lighting for other candles, which is a big problem. Okay, and same for Hanukkah candles, actually.